Welcome back to Mumbai. India is known for some of the best food in the world, and today we have decided to do an ultimate DIY food tour for you. We have researched tons of places, tons of food to try, and we're just going to eat ourselves silly and show you around. Thank you. So the first place we decided to come to was called the Party Dairy Farm, and it's been operating since 1916. And I believe they're so famous because they make all of their dairy products like in-house. The first thing we've decided to try is called the sweet curd, and it's come highly recommended. Connor's too scared to try it because he's not really a dairy fan, but I will. Okay. I don't like the texture.
But the taste?
The flavour is really, really nice.
And it was really cheap as well, I'm not going to lie.
It's pretty similar to yogurt. Yeah.
And just to show you how busy this place is, I can't really pick it up from here, but there we go. Everyone is here.
It's served in a little clay pot. But as for this, honest opinion, it's probably not to my taste, so I probably wouldn't have it again. But the other thing we got is the ice cream kulfi.
Barbie edition.
Barbie edition, that's why it's pink. So Connor is going to try that for you.
I've tried many Indian sweets in my time, since being in India and in England, but I've never had this before, so I'm excited to
And
taste.
the Barbie edition makes
the Barbie
it even
edition,
more
yeah.
excited.
Oh, it's hard. I didn't expect for it to be hard. Okay, there we go. I didn't expect that whatsoever. It's really nice though. It starts off a bit dry, and then it gets sweeter and sweeter. But this is the first thing we're having in the day, which is wrong. We should have had this at the last thing as
right
dessert.
near to us, so
But it was the nearest thing, and we wanted to get here when it wasn't too busy. Obviously, it's busy now, but no, this is really good.
Go Barbie, go Barbie.
Go Barbie, yeah, no, that's good. I give that an 8 out of 10. It's really good. But when you want to buy the sweets here, you can buy minimum of 100 grams per item. So keep that in mind. That's why we've got 3. But for the start of the video, big thumbs up.
And I think for everything it was only 144.
144 rupees for this and this, so you can't go wrong. That was one of the coolest shops we've been to in India, and you can tell why it's busy, because it's reasonably priced and it's really good.
I agree with Connor though, we probably shouldn't have started there because my stomach is just doing like flips because I've just had curd, that's all I've had to
You've
line
just
it
had
with.
curd for breakfast, and I've just had sweets for breakfast.
But luckily we're only 3 minutes away from our next stop, so we're going to head there now.
We're trying Pani Puri for the first time. Well, I am anyway. Livy's already tried it, so let's hope it's good. Thank you. Okay, you have the first one. Ooh. Mm. Wow. That's good. That's really sweet, yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, Olivia's going to try this one now. It's good. I didn't expect it to be cold, but it tastes really nice. This one is also sweet or hot, spicy?
I think it's spicy. Thank you.
Let's try this one.
He says
Ooh.
sweet, I say spicy. Okay, I'm going to eat this a little bit more ladylike.
How's that one? That one's good? I think I'll try the next one. Oh, it gets all slippery, but how much is this, Kitna? 60. 60 rupees, which isn't bad. They just keep coming and coming. The oldest Pani Puri shop in Mumbai.
We've also been given these ones with no liquid in them, so I'm just eating it. I have no clue what I'm eating.
Good. The best one? Super Panipuri. So that was my first experience of Panipuri, and I really like it. I like how one could be really, really sweet, and the next one could be really, really spicy. I don't get the concept of having one, like, I don't know, just constantly having one, because if it's busy, how does that happen?
And as people, you just feel like you see when people are kind of rushing you, so you're kind of like eating
You're trying to eat it as quick as possible, and you're like, I haven't even finished this one.
Even though you don't have to, you just have to, like, you feel like you have to eat it as fast as you
So all you Indians in the comment section down below, message or put in the comment section down below.
Like it, though.
How do you guys do it when it's really, really busy? Do you have to just put it in the guy's face?
I honestly think so, and then you just wait your turn.
Damn. And do you guys like Panipuri?
The third place on our list. In 10 minutes, can I just say, we've been moving through this quite fast. We've come into quite a famous place called Kayani and Co. And we have got the bun maska, which is essentially just an Iranian bread. And then you have the keema pub, which I think is lamb mutton, I believe. And then we have curry biscuits. I don't know too much about those, but I'm definitely going to try them. And the idea, this is a very popular street food, is you open the bread. This is what they told us, by the way. And you essentially just scoop the mutton into the bread. You close it and you eat it.
Good.
Wow.
We haven't had meat since being in India for quite a while, so it's nice to have some type of meat, but I can smell it.
Like that. The spices are so strong.
Yeah, I can smell the spices. Let me zoom in. Look at this. That looks so good. And the prices are some of them here. That's how cheap it is. They do only accept cash like most places, but wow, it smells good.
So good. Eat.
Wow.
I told you, isn't that so good?
That is the bread. I've never had bread this soft, and you can taste it. It's fresh. And as for this bad boy over here, the flavors and the spices. I think there's some lentil in there, isn't it? It's like a lentil.
And there is coriander in there as well.
Yeah. Wow. Hang on. Oh my god. That's one of the best things I've had since coming to India. That's amazing, and for the price as well. Cheap, and you can get so much. I don't even think this is enough bread. You can have like a whole loaf and just spread it into each bread piece. Wow, that is, for me, that might be the video's first 10 out of 10. So I remember when we was in Morocco, we had Moroccan biscuit and people loved it, but when we had it, it was really dry, so it was hard to like. So maybe this is the same. Yeah, there's nothing about that that's like good. It's not. It's flavourless.
There's not even any flavour to it.
No, it's flavourless. It's flaky. But maybe we're eating it wrong, and you have to have it with something else. I reckon that'll taste nice with like cream, or something. Maybe
jam.
Or jam. Put in the comment section down below. Do you have it by itself, or do you have to have something with it? But if not, yeah, I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 10. That restaurant, considering the price, the atmosphere, the taste of the food, was definitely a 10 out of 10.
It was really, really good.
So good. And yeah, like we always say, the best places to go are the ones where all the locals are. There's not a lot of tourists, because you'll get the best food. There's a reason why the locals are choosing to eat there.
Yeah, and again, like we said, there were no tourists there. So I don't know whether that actually means anything, but I think it does.
Maybe just like a little hidden gem.
Yeah.
But now you guys can go there. This is one of the busiest places we've ever been. What the hell?
I don't even know what to make of it, to be honest.
Why is it so busy? Oh my gosh.
And it's a Monday!
It's a Monday.
We have wandered ourselves down to Crawford Market, and there are tons of street food stores, so obviously that fits the theme of today's video. We've got these Indian savoury donuts. We have had them before, we had them in Delhi. I don't know what they're called. He tried to tell me, but I didn't understand what he was trying to say. So I believe you just get the donut. And you pour it on the sauce. That's didn't know donuts were supposed to or could be savoury. I thought it was only a sweet thing, but
Is it spicy?
honestly, not really.
Do you want to try the other one as well, this other dip? Because that looks kind of interesting. Okay.
Oh, that freaks me out.
It's good?
It's so hot here. So hot.
Genuinely, there is sweat pouring off our faces. And if you want to see how busy it is and how loud it is, check
You bought this
that out. It's absolutely crazy. So trying to eat at the same time and record is almost impossible.
I've learned the error of my ways. Apparently you're meant to just tip it in and then
Good?
whip it.
Nice. That's a better way of doing it, I think.
Yeah,
Much easier.
One thing I am going to say, I am getting very overwhelmed, like in this environment. Like it is a lot, so I wouldn't advise spending a long period of time here.
No, for sure. But this is them cooking it. It looks good.
Are you gonna... Spicy.
Not spicy, not spicy.
He's a baby.
Thank you. Thank you. Where do I start?
I have no idea.
Where do I start with this? Let me move over here. How do I even eat this?
I don't know.
Where do I start?
This is masala kitchen pad.
Oh, so it's broken up into small pieces, I'm guessing, and you
I
just
think
eat
it's
it.
just Indian nachos.
Yeah, it's just like Indian nachos, really. You have like carrots on here, tomato, you got some onions on here, coriander.
Wow,
Look
you
at
can't
that.
even see the nachos.
You can't even see the thingies. Right. Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. That's really good.
And you get so much for the
You get so
equivalent
much.
of 50p.
50p for all of this, which is crazy, but you can get it spicy as well. I'm a baby. I did not want to get it spicy, but this is crazy. Absolutely crazy. What was the name of this again, Livvy?
Masala kitchen pad.
Masala Kitchen Pan. I give this a 7 out of 10.
And Connor was scared to try it because he was just like, it's not normally what he would like.
Mm.
So that goes to show you to try things you don't think you're gonna.
It's really refreshing, which is the best part about it. And as far as street food goes, it's really good.
I'm trying to get the best one. Look at that. Ooh. Onion, carrot, coriander, spices. That is really good.
It was so busy and hot outside, so we decided to come to this place. I think it's called Basha Golding. I don't even know, right? It said cold drink, so we were there. And I have got my favourite drink of all time, mango lassi. I'm an expert at lassi, because I have it almost every day. I'm going to see whether it's fresh or not, whether it's good or not. Let's see.
Controversial opinion here. I don't actually like lassi.
Oh, wow. Oh, hell yeah. That mango is so, like, prominent. Like, sometimes I'll have mango lassi and you just can't taste the mango. And it'll just taste like a sweet lassi. But this one is good. It's fresh. It's cold. Oh, that might be one of the best mango lassis I've ever had. Livvy says she doesn't like it, but
Yeah, I am one of the weird few who don't. But
she's
I'm
going to
gonna
try it
it
anyway. For sure. She's going to be a good sport. No? Is it the texture you don't like? Or?
It's the texture. I'm very like, when it's certain textures really freak me out.
Yeah,
I don't like that.
But you can really taste the mango,
Yeah,
right?
the flavour is nice, but the texture I don't like. We have come to probably the most famous restaurant here, and also probably the worst time we could have come. The heavens absolutely opened, and it's just chucking it down with rain. Anyway, we've come to Arab Marnapa to have They're very famous in Guadalajara. I think this restaurant has actually been here since 1921, and normally we would stand outside and just eat it like street food. But again, we're going to get absolutely saturated. I don't actually know what this is whatsoever. It's so
Is it hot? It is freshly made. They literally just made it.
The flavours are so good. This is just like a potato thing, I think.
He asked if he wanted a chili in there, and I was like, hell no, because it's going to be way too spicy.
It's just like a Mumbai burger. I think that's what it's known as, a Mumbai burger. This is what you get inside.
Oh, that looks
It's
nice.
really nice, actually. It's fairly spicy and it's really good. You can see why it's so popular as well. And it's only 20 rupee. They do get you a little bit because they charge you an 8 rupee sit down fee if you want to sit inside, but I'm not going to argue with less than 10 pounds.
We've decided to come into a restaurant for our final meal of the day, also known as Gita Bhavan,
Yes.
because it's our favourite restaurant since coming here in Mumbai. The food is really good and it's cheap. We were going to do some more street food to end the video, but it's really dark and it started to rain. Again, we're in monsoon season. But we've gone with one of my favourite dinners, which is a special thali. And the reason I like special thali is because you're having like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different meals with like one like puri. And we've also got some dosa as well. It's plain dosa. Usually I have masala dosa, but I've gone with the plain one instead. But that's why I like thali, because you're having 5 different meals in one, whereas in some places you'll just get a curry and you're having the same curry over and over again. It gets a bit boring. Here, you have different options, so I love it. We're going to try it now with the dosa.
We love this place.
Love it so much. And this will cost no more than £5, which is really good as well. Dip it in here. And it's really, really good. I'll get Olivia to try the puri as well. But it's one of our favourite restaurants since coming into Mumbai. Olivia's trying the puri.
I love a puri. And the staff here are really good as well. They're very quick. They like understand everything you say to them. That's it. This is my favourite one. I can eat this all the time. So
Every
good.
time we come here, it's really, really good.
And my reaction's always the same. And then we have these to go with the dosa.
Yeah. Yeah, usually you're supposed to put the dosa in here, but I prefer this one and this one. It's my favourite, but
I don't think I've even tried this one yet.
that's a little bit more spicy, but I rate it. I like it.
Quite watery though.
Yeah. And then obviously we get a Coke and a water, and we also get rice halfway through and a dessert. So it's really, oh, and little samosas.
Baby samosas.
So yeah, absolutely love this place. Can't recommend it more.
It's so good. I don't even know how we found it. I think we just stumbled across it.
Yeah, because
and
it's 2 minutes away from where we're staying. But yeah, can't recommend this place at all.
Best place for dinner ever.
Gulab jams.
Ooh, and it's hot. I can feel it.
Comes free with the thali as well. It tastes best with ice cream though.
I'm like blowing on it because it's really hot.
And you get some rice, like I told you guys. It's good.
Excuse my commentary, but that is so good. It's so sickly though. That's the only thing.
We have been eating all day and all night. It's dark outside, we're back at the apartment, and you know what that means? That means it's time to end the video. The street food here in India and the food in general at restaurants are amazing. The best food in the world. Seriously, I'm not joking. Like, Indian food is the best. The spices, the smell, the flavor, the price. Nothing in the world beats Indian food. Genuinely, Indian food, sweets, just everything about it is so amazing. And I'm happy we did this today because we've been wanting to do this since coming to India. And what better place to do it than Mumbai? So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.